Picture this: a window that talks, moves, and mesmerizes without ever blocking your view. Transparent LED panels for glass are here, and they are changing everything. This is not just a screen. Its glass stays clear, letting sunlight stream through, while brilliant high-resolution visuals appear as if by magic. Imagine your storefront, office, or building facade transforming into a canvas that never sleeps. Installation is sleek and seamless. Ultra-thin panels stick directly to glass, preserving elegance and structure. Day or night, your content shines with clarity, and smart software lets you schedule, animate, and update in real time. Your message your way instantly. Energy efficiency? Absolutely. Transparent LEDs use less power than traditional displays while delivering brightness that turns heads. No heavy backlighting needed, just pure visual impact without compromise. The possibilities are endless. Retailers draw crowds while keeping transparency. Museums layer digital storytelling over real exhibits. Corporate spaces fuse branding and information effortlessly. Every window becomes an experience, not just a view. Transparent LED panels for glass are more than technology. They are a revolution. They merge design and innovation, letting you communicate boldly, beautifully, and in full color. Step up, stand out, and see the world through a window that does more than let light in. It tells a story.